Well, back to the Shakey's Feely here in the Ninoy Aquino Stadium. And you can see in your screens, Ateneo winning the first 2 sets. But here in the third set, FEU ahead 16-15. Ferrer to Valdez. That's a bully spike there by Valdez.
Well, on defense so far, Lazaro with 4 digs and Herbacio with 2, Remulla having 6, and Tabaquero with 8.
Wow.
The setting job in all sets, Ferrer with 18 and Giselsi with 24.
Well, good recover by Ivy Remulla. Credit.
Talaga parang may hooray.
Hindi, totoo. Credit goes to Ivy Remulla. Diba?
Tumatango si Barry. Yes, yes, go.
And if it's fun family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. So 17-16. Ferrer back to Valdez. Valdez scores a point for Ateneo. Her spike too tough to handle for Eulalio.
Just been consistent in this set. Maganda ng paganda yung palo eh.
Exactly. Parang painit pa lang siya. She's just about to warm up.
Well, so far, top scorers for this game. Patrona having 11. Eulalio Tabaquero with 8. Remulla with 3. On the other side, Valdez having 10 already. Herbacio with 6. Soiso. De Jesus with 7.
Well, it's a pretty balanced performance by Ateneo. And again, that yung pang slow-mo talagang ganda tingnan, no? Si Liza Valdez, we're talking about Liza Valdez. And Ateneo now has taken a 1-point lead, 18 serving 17. Not if Irish Patrona can have something to say. Yun ang sinasabi natin eh. Palaban pa rin siya eh. Although they're down 2 sets, she's still there just giving it all she's got. Oh, near miscue there.
Valdez once again, off speed, but ball still in play. Sabi niya, ayoko na off speed. Kuha niyo eh.
Oh.
And Tejada getting her share and getting the point.
That's right. And actually, if you're FEU, you'd be happy to see Valdez at the back row. So 19 serving 18. Ateneo would not want to go into a 4th, but FEU would want to take this into a 5-setter match. Oh, De Jesus quick to react.
Oh, back row attack. Diego taking care of that. Oh, pero sabi niya, meron din naman yan. Ano mo, Liza? Sa akin, nagsimula yan.
Angie Tabaquero equalizes this match. And you know, FEU is hungry for that first win. They're not going to give this match. And there you go, an ace serve by FEU.
So now, FEU takes the lead.
That's right, 20-19. Again, veterans in the FEU squad, you know, they really want that first win.
Oh, the elevator, elevating.
Elevation.
Ang taas.
Oo.
And then, you appreciate it more because she's not that tall. Kaya maganda tignan.
Oh, the athletic people like during our time, diba sa Ateneo, Reg Gavino. Can you remember?
Oh,
ganyan eh.
Yes, correct.
Mga high leapers.
Oh.
Oh, the error there by FEU. Ateneo with a 1-point lead. A timeout called by FEU. That's an in.
Kailangan makapagay mo tayo. Watch lang ka, watch lang. So magandang save, mataka tayo na cover tayo. Sige,
Well, FEU Makati, the newest campus of Far Eastern University, is now accepting enrollees in the following program: BS Accountancy, Accounting Technology, Information Technology, and Business Administration. For more information, please call 836-2002 or visit their website www.feu.edu.ph. So this is a close one. Mozzie, this is
That's
third
right.
set.
Yun ang maganda sa FEU, not giving up. And again, malaking nahahawa sila dun sa fighting spirit ni Tabaquero, ni Patrona, ni Ivy. Oh, but this time, poor service received. As Ferrer gets the point.
That's right, Ferrer. Very consistent in today's match. De Jesus again.
Oh, once again, scoring another one on that open in.
And another timeout. Let this in.
Sayang, naka-receive tayo, wala tayong match. Ay, sige, break lang dito sa next zone. Sibulat na kaya na maganda.
Well, you can see here, you know, good teamwork by Ateneo and the elevating and getting that point for a comfortable, at this point, it's a comfortable 3-point lead, 23-20.
Sayang, nakadikit na ng FEU. In fact, they got the lead at 20-21.
Yeah.
Pero of course, di pa rin naman tapos to, no?
Anything's possible.
Basho. Giselle giving it to Ange.
Hervasio back to De Jesus.
Oh, and De Jesus trying to go for the back row space, pero lumagpas. That goes long.
Well, there is still life for FEU, 21-23. This is Palma serving for FEU. Lazaro. Ferrer to Hervasio. C was there. Ivy, good set. Tabaquero, block coverage was there. Hervasio keeping it alive. Ferrer, De Jesus. C was there. This is a good rally we're having.
Hervasio. Tabaquero. Ang ganda ng coverage kasi ng both teams.
Yes.
That's why. Oh, and
but still alive.
That's right. Hervasio with the powerful spike, but he getting it. De Jesus with a powerful spike hitting Patrona.
That's right, and De Jesus just sticking her tongue out, showing, I'm tired.
Sabi ni Coach Marley, yun dyan ka lang.
Well, we have match point, and we're talking about Ateneo, 24-21. Tejada, Ferrer was there, going to De Jesus, and
De Jesus finishing it. Sabi niya, ayo, hindi ko na kaya.
Oh, na.
Tapusin ko na to.
Well, the battle of the collegiate teams, Ateneo prevailing over FEU in 3 straight sets. And we got to mention their teamwork.
Oh, yes. As we see our shake and play of this set, ang ganda ng distribution ni Jem.
Yes.
She has gone to almost all of them.
That's right. And Ella De Jesus ends this match. And Ateneo wins it 25-21. Don't go away.